Hey guys, Coach Sandra here with you, and I'm enjoying my Mega Tea today. This one is an orange strawberry combo. It's so delicious, and I don't know about you, but I've been seeing all over social media lately the Mega Teas, the lifted teas, the loaded teas, all the teas, and I keep getting questions, Sandra, what's in these teas? So I've got a little bit of information for you and a little surprise for you. But basically, all of these different variations of teas have two of our most popular Herbalife energy products in them. We're going to talk about those in a minute, and of course many different Herbalife product combos, but it doesn't matter how you mix them, they are delicious. So as a client of ours, Maurice and I have made these Mega Tea kits available for you in a nice convenient little package delivered right to your door so that you can try these in 5 different combinations. And if you love these as much as we think you're going to, we're also going to show you how you can get set up for yourself to make these at home and save a ton of money. We're also going to show you how you can even just get a sweet discount on all of your Herbalife products, whether it's for your Mega Teas, your loaded teas, whatever, or any of our other Herbalife products. So let's look at what's in these Mega Teas and what the key benefits are. So every one of the Mega Tea kits, no matter what flavor you choose, you're gonna get 60 milligrams of vitamin C. You're gonna get energy supporting B vitamins, including B6 and B12. You're gonna get ginseng and guarana and L-taurine and biotin, antioxidant and immune support, and we're gonna boost your metabolism with super clean energy, and the best part is no crash at all. Now, our current kits include everything that you need to make these 5 flavors. The flavors do rotate as our supplies rotate, so these are subject to change, of course. And also inside of every kit, you guys are gonna get exact instructions on how to make them pretty or how to do them fast. You're gonna have instruction cards and instruction videos, so it's gonna be super simple for you to duplicate these results at home. Just click the link with this video to get your Mega Tea kit on its way today, and enjoy.